Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. My name is Abdulwahab. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you on how you can actually fund your Facebook ad account with your smartphone. Okay, and I'm also going to show you on how you can still fund your Facebook ad account with Naira card. Okay, all right, that means you don't need to be looking for how you can spend in dollars or be looking for cards with a higher limit of USD before you can actually fund your Facebook ad account. All right. Okay. Without wasting much of our time, we will go in right now so that I will show you step by step. Okay. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you will be notified first. Okay. All right, so let's go in right now. So the first thing you actually need to do is that when you are setting up your ad account, you are supposed to select which of the ad account you want to create, whether it is going to the payment method is going to be in US dollar or it's going to be in Naira. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to select the currency. You should know that when you select this currency, you cannot change the currency again. Okay, that is why if you are the type that is just going into ad, make sure you select Naira ad account. Okay, so once you have been able to do that, you will be able to fund it with the card that we are about to use right now. Okay, you can fund it and your ad will be spending in Naira. Okay, you can actually see some of the ads that I'm currently running. Okay, some are active. I've turned off some. Okay, all right, so let's go in right now. So the first thing you need to do is for you to actually go to your Play Store and download this app that is made by Facebook. Okay, that is a Meta Ads Manager. All right, so let's go to Play Store right now. Let me show you the app so that you don't download the wrong app. Okay, right now we are in our Play Store, right? So and once you are here in this Play Store, the next thing for you to do is to actually type the name of the app here, and it is Meta by Facebook ad. Okay, all right, so let me write Meta there. If you can actually see, so you type it on the search bar, then you click on search. Okay, all right, so it's going to come up. You can actually see here is it. Okay, so if you come here, you see many apps, but this is the one that you're actually going to download. Okay, you can see I've just circled it here so that you actually know which one you are going to download. All right, so this is the one we're going to download, and you can see I've downloaded my own before, so let me click on it so that you can actually see I have my own installed here. You can actually see Meta Ads Manager. So this is the one that you are going to be using to do all these activities in your smartphone. Okay, that means if you don't have a laptop, it doesn't stop you from running ads, okay, to boost your business. All right, okay, so you can actually come here and download this. You can actually use it to set up your ad, or if you are the type that don't like it, okay, you can still set it up with your laptop. Then you'll be monitoring all the activities here, because you can easily go along with your smartphone compared to laptop. Okay, and anywhere you are, if the fund in your Facebook ad account has been exhausted, you can fund it. Okay, all right, so let's go in right now. I have my own here already, but if you are new now, you're going to see install here, then you click the install here. Okay, this one is showing that I should update. All right, okay, so I'm going to update it later. Okay, so that this video won't be too long. All right, so now that I have my own, let's go back to the Meta Ads Manager app and continue to fund this Facebook ad account. All right, okay, so let's go right now. Okay, the card I'm going to use right now, I'm going to use my own Zenith Mastercard. So you can use your Zenith Mastercard to fund this. Okay, and it is going to be a Naira card. All right, that is why I said for you to be able to add fund in Naira, you should make sure you have a Naira ad account. Okay, that way you won't have any challenges when you are doing this. Okay, so if you're a newbie and you are just watching this and you are preparing to start running ad, okay, so make sure you create an account that is going to be on Naira base. All right, so now the first thing you need to do is for you to click on this setting right here. Once you want to fund it, you click on this setting here at this right corner. Okay, now so once I click on the setting, it's going to take me to this area. So once I'm here, I'm going to click on these payments. Can you actually see? You can see that this ad is active. All right, so I'll click on payments. Once I click on payments, all right, so it's going to load to this page. You can actually see this is the current this is the amount that is here right now after I've spent a lot. Okay, and I will continue to add funds. Once the fund is about to exhausted, then I will add another fund. All right, so the next thing now, if I want to add another payment method, I can add it here. All right, so I can check the my payment activities here. All right, so if I click on this right now, you see many activities that I've been performing. You can actually see it here for you to actually know that I have been using this. All right, so but this is not why we are here. All right, so let's go back. Let me go and fund this and show you why we are here. All right, okay, but if you find this video valuable, make sure you share it to your friends who might also need this. All right, do not forget to also subscribe to this channel so that we can actually grow, because as we grow, I'll be showing you different methods that you can actually use to boost your business. All right, okay, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you will be notified first, because in some coming days I can just decide to do some giveaway. Okay, it could be something that will help your business to boost up. So, and once you are not online to take the advantage, it might get exhausted, right? So that is why you actually need to subscribe. Okay, so if you also face any challenges running your own ad, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section of this video so that I will respond to you to know the challenges you are facing running your Facebook ad. Okay, all right, so without wasting much of our time, let's continue what we are doing. So here I'm going to click on add funds here. Can you actually see? I'll click on this add funds. I'll click on add funds. Okay, so once I click on add funds, it's going to take me to this area. Okay, I'm going to clean this one here. I'll clean this one here and type the amount that I want to fund. Okay, so let me fund this account with just 2,000 naira. All right, so I've just write it here, and you see once I put this 2,000 naira, so my phone is going to be on 3,745 naira, because initially it was around 1,745 naira balance that is left there. Okay, but now I want to add 2,000 naira to it. So once I'm done like this, I'm going to use this pay you. Right, so pay you, Facebook is using pay you. I'm going to use pay you. I'm not going to use debit or credit card. Okay, and don't embed your card here. Okay, you can decide to use this pay you. All right, so I will use this pay you. This is what I normally use. Once I click on pay you, then I will scroll down right now and click on this add fund here. All right, okay, so make sure you watch this video step by step so that you miss any step. Okay, because this information is very, very, very vital. All right, so I'll click on this add funds now, and it's going to take me to the next page. Okay, so let's take a look at where we are heading to. Right, all right, so and right now we are here. If you can actually see, this is the pay you. Right, you can actually see it here. Then you read through this. Okay, now let's read through so that you understand everything. Okay, because I know some people will use this and you won't read through. You actually need to read through. It says, please click continue to complete your Naira payment with pay you. Please note that the payment page will open on a new window and it closes automatically. Okay, you should read this line by line so that you understand it, so that when you are doing these payments, okay, along the line, anywhere you are supposed to leave it for it to work automatically, then you allow it to work on its own. All right, so I'm going to click on this continue right now. So once I click on continue, it will take me to the next page. Right, you can actually see this is the next page, and here I'm going to enter my card details. All right, so I'm going to enter my card details here. The card details is the 16 digit at the back of your cards here. Then your name, that is you that is owning that is the owner of this account. Then the month, and the month is going to expire and the year is going to expire. I'll also enter the CVV down here. All right, okay, so the CVV here. Then I'll click on the pay. All right, so I'm going to enter the details right now. All right. All right, so right now I've just entered my card details, and the next thing I need to do right now is for me to click on this pay 2,000 naira. All right, so I've just clicked on it. Then you allow it to load and see. All right, so authenticating your transaction. Okay, so at this very stage, you don't need to click any other button. Just allow it to load and make sure you have a stable internet connection. All right, so it's downloading, and the next thing here for us to do is for us to click on this dot, which is soft token option because we actually want to receive authentication code from our bank to confirm that we are the one actually doing this transaction. All right, so now I'm going to click on this generate token. Okay, so once you click on this generate token, it's going to send you an OTP to your registered mobile number. Okay, that is the number you use to register your account number. All right, so we'll be waiting for it, and right now it's here. So I'm going to enter the OTP right now. Okay, the OTP is the one-time password. All right, so I've just entered the OTP. I will now click on this submit here. Can you actually see this submit? So we click on the submit. So once you click on the submit, then you allow it to load again. So it's loading, and the next message is for us to see transaction successful. Okay, so let's take a look at it right now. It's loading. All right, you can actually see your transaction was successful. At this very stage, just allow it to load on its own. Don't touch it. Okay, so okay, it's done. All right, it's done loading, and we'll go to the page right now. So you don't need to touch it while it is processing. So we can actually see that it's done. Then we go back to the meter, which is the app. Okay, so this is the app. We just go there right now. Okay, so we're going to refresh the account. You can actually see that it is now 3,745 naira. You can see we have just added 2,000 naira to this fund. Okay, so this is exactly the process or the step in which you can actually follow to add funds to your ad account, okay, using your smartphone. All right, so with this, anywhere you are, you can actually carry out your smartphone, carry out your card, and add funds so that your ad won't stop. Okay, this one will also save you from from going to where your laptop is, or even if your laptop is shut down and your phone is still active, just have this one and fund your ad account and let your ad be running. Okay, all right, so if you found this video very helpful, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you will be notified first. We can build your business together. Okay, so let's join hands to build your business together. Anything you don't understand, drop it in this comment section right now so that I'll just come up and also explain it to you. If you're also facing any challenges or any video you want me to do, then just make sure you drop it in the comment section for me to actually help you to do it. All right, okay, thank you very much. I remain Abdulwahab, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.